Eat na. Eat bread no, I don't like to eat. You eat. This is Filipino bread.
Yes.
Whatever food here you eat.
This one, Mumbai, this pav.
Pav?
Yeah, this pav, vada pav, this one.
But is
This
it?
batata is this inside. This all fry, this batata, this inside.
Good also na.
Yeah, good.
Good with say. But you know naman here na. We don't have money so only bread is 1 3 dirham na you will eat.
लाजिम पूरा खाया हाँ मुश्किल नहीं खाया बात सब्जी क्या मुश्किल है
Tingnan mo sa Mina, ano itong pagkain ng mahirap. Ay, kawawa naman. Ano bang buhay nito man? Only rice, kuya. No, Amina, only eating rice. See?
Yeah, I
Don't
am
have lunch
eating
box,
rice.
don't have anything.
Anytime, this one.
He cannot buy the lunch box. Only keeping the money inside.
Yes.
Shuhada, what is this? Kawawa man to. Tingnan mo to. Ito nilagyan ng this one don't have lunch box. You put only like this in aluminum foil.
पैसा नहीं है भैया
Have gold, have anything din paisa niya.
Yeah, this iPhone.
Have iPhone 17. See? My iPhone 21 still na launching now. Ay naku. This one also kuya hit na. Suwada. Ay, itapon kaya to day.
ano ba yan
Ha?
ano yan
Yung iwan ng customer.
ano mas sweet or something
Gasibo day to. Yayamanin.
tingnan mo kung ano
Sabji. Eat na.
No, sir, this one to me only.
O rice with the kwan inside. Also pizza. Pizza na may bulbul. Mahirap pala tong pizza to bo. You cannot eat properly this pizza na ha bulbul inside. Tapon natin kaya to? Hindi niya sayang manday. Daming nagugutom sa Pilipinas.
kasi
Sira na kasi yung
tingnan mo yung ulam ko sila
tapon na lang natin. Eat more after you become healthy.
This problem, this one.
What problem this one? After your wife asking, oh, my husband is muti. Muta. Eat more bread, no problem.
This is okay, this one.
Tama yun.